to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. This is one of my favorite corners, one of the original corners of this garden. When I first started gardening, I would pick plants off the clearance rack at the box store. That's what I could afford at the time, and that's what I was willing to experiment with. So I just want to show you some of these winning clearance plants that first started my garden. So we have these yews right here. Those came off the clearance rack, something that I got. This was probably like about 2010, 2011 or so. This camellia, I would love to know what kind of camellia this was, or this is, but I didn't care about saving tags back then. It was just pretty and it was cheap, and so I bought it. But at some point, I hope somebody can help me identify this camellia. This, I believe, is some kind of distilium, and this also was a clearance plant. And you can see how happy it is. This is a very happy corner. Back here we have fire bushes, and you can see they are really happy. I honestly can't remember if those were clearance or not. Probably, because this is one of the first sections of the garden. Now when I got a big head and I decided that I could pay full price for plants, I've added a Mrs. Berry Poppins. You can see her berries right here, and Mr. Poppins is close by, of course, to pollinate. There's a curly leaf ligustrum that I've picked up. That was actually a sale plant. He's back there loving life. When it gets a little taller, I hope to maybe topiary him, because obviously that's really close together right there, so he might become a topiary. But what I want to talk about is the ground right here. Now this is some type of perennial geranium, and I have fallen in love with perennial geraniums. I'd have to look up which one that is, because I really don't remember. And then these are some purple irises that were given to me that obviously love their life right here. This little section right here, we have some lilies, and I planted a bunch of daffodils in here. So these are all going to be peach and white varieties. I've got My Story, Chromacolor, Apricot Swirl, and Shrike in here. And we have some type of lavender, and I can't quite remember what I have right there, but that's another perennial. But anyway, what I need to do right here is clean up these irises and get the mulch down on top of this area right here. When I want the pretty mulch, I go to Settlemyre Nursery. They have beautiful mulch, and so this is going to be a top dressing. This is going to be the mulch for the season. So went there and picked that up today, and that's what we're going to be spreading. So I'm going to cut these irises back, and then we're going to spread some mulch, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. I got this area ready for spring. We've got the irises cleaned up, the perennial geraniums cleaned up. The lilies were already cut back, but this is where the majority of the daffodils are going to come up. And I have no idea what this is. This was one of my clearance rescues years ago. If anybody knows what this is, if you'll zoom in and take a look at these leaves, it is some kind of, I don't know, I have no idea. So if you know what this is, please comment and let me know, because I don't remember and I have no idea. But this area is all ready for spring. I'm excited to see everything pop up through the ground. I'll keep you posted on it, and for the love of dirt, get outside and enjoy what nature has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Welcome to Dragonfly Garden.